everything will be done. So that I am very grateful for the devotees who are having faith and who are having most affection towards me. I have no money to give back to them, but only the thing I can give is I can offer a special prayer to Krishna on behalf of you. That is why I am offering the special prayer today to bless the devotees who designed and who did all these things to me. It is for Lord Krishna, and it is for my Guru Sri Madhvacharya, and it is for my Guru Sri Vidyamanya Tirtha Swamiji, and it is for my Guru Sri Sujnanendra Tirtha Swamiji, and it is for my Guru Sri Sudhindra Tirtha Swamiji, who lived 100 years, so that it is now your duty, our Puttika Mata Parampara in Ashtamatha, it is considered as the Shatayushi Parampara. In our Parampara, Sri Sudhindra Tirtha Swamiji and Gyanendra Tirtha Swamiji and Kavindra Tirtha Swamiji and three Shatayushi Swamiji were there. So you should pray Lord Sri Krishna to add one more Swamiji as Shatayushi Swamiji. If you will offer the prayer to Lord Krishna, Krishna will listen. All the time, once the prayer comes to Krishna, he looks how many people are behind this prayer. For counting that, he will grant that. That is why more people should sign this so that he can bless me. That is why I am offering my prayer on to all to Sri Krishna to bless me so that I can offer my prayer on behalf to Lord Krishna for 100 years. That is why I am very glad to offer my prayer to Lord Sri Krishna to bless all the devotees here. Sri Krishna Vrindavana is having many projects here. Whatever projects we are having, it is an account of your support, your faith. Now I am very much caught by this affection of my devotees. In India, this year, two devotees, they have offered their houses, convert temple. Now they recognize me. If we will offer my house, Swami is going to convert a temple. So in Coimbatore, one devotee offered her house and to convert Sri Krishna's temple, and already in Chennai, Dr. Jammu Prasad has offered his place and the building, and he has constructed the temple of Lord Shikara. And also this year, the Woodlands owners, they have offered the land in Chennai, one more land to convert into temple. So I am getting many offers. I don't know what to do. But Krishna should give the blessings and devotees should give the strength. So many devotees, they supported this Krishna Vrindavana. Known people, unknown devotees, they supported like anything. This Krishna Vrindavana is not an account of Sugarendra Tirtha Swamiji. It is an account of many devotees support. And also my main vision is, and this outside India devotees, they should be recognized by all acharyas in India. That is why I wanted to know that they should not misunderstand devotees outside India. They should give more importance for outside India devotees. That is why I wanted to show that, see how many devotees are there, are very much devoted to Guru Pitham, so that I accepted this. And my main mission is in all over North America. We should have the Sri Krishna Bhakti Center everywhere. So in Eastern zone, we are having New Jersey, and 4 time zone, we want to have Krishna Bhakti Center. This is for the East time zone, and we are having specific time zone in Los Angeles, and in mountain time, we are having in Phoenix. And one more we should have in Central Time, maybe in Dallas or Houston, so that whole America should be covered by Krishna devotees. So Krishna devotees should have the facilities to develop their devotion and faith. And in North America, in Canada, already we are having Toronto, and also Niagara Falls, so that everywhere Krishna Bhakti should be strengthened, everywhere the message of Bhagavad Gita should be strengthened. And one more intention is Goraksha, this Gopala Krishna. So we are worshipping Lord Krishna as Gopala Krishna. So not only Krishna, Gopala Krishna should be very much worshipped, because this mission should be fulfilled by the support of devotees here. So I am very glad to notice your support in the name of my 50th birthday. We should be further support for all these good works. And once again, I offer my prayer to Lord Sri Krishna to bless all the devotees and Shishya and give the peace in the world, and especially in the land of America. I want to offer my prayer to Lord Sri Krishna. The economy of America should be improved so that Krishna, all devotees should be very much blessed, so that I am offering my prayer to Lord Sri Krishna. Bless all of us.
I would like to offer our Shashtanga Pranamas to Sri Swamiji for accepting our invitation. And this is a great occasion. So
Satya